Hey everyone, welcome back to ML2LM. Today we are diving into another core concept of object-oriented programming, encapsulation. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of public, protected, and private attributes in Python. We'll cover when and why to use each of them, along with some hands-on coding examples. So if you want to master encapsulation in Python, stick around. Encapsulation is all about controlling access to the data inside a class. It allows us to restrict direct modification of certain attributes and only expose what's necessary. Think of a class as a capsule where we can hide certain details and only allow controlled interactions. This helps in writing clean, maintainable, and secure code. Let's start with the simplest type, public attributes. Public attributes are accessible from anywhere, inside or outside the class. When we define attributes in a class without any special convention, they are public by default. Since name is public, we can directly access it like this. We can also modify it. You can view a list of all the attributes and methods associated with an instance using the dir function. But when we don't want certain attributes to be directly modified, that's where protected and private attributes come in. Protected attributes are meant to be used inside a class and its subclasses. We indicate a protected attribute by prefixing it with an underscore. This is just a convention, not a strict rule. You can still access them from outside, but you shouldn't unless absolutely necessary. Even though we can access underscore name, the underscore tells other developers, hey, this is meant to be used within the class or its child classes, not directly. So if you ever see a single underscore before an attribute, it's a signal to use with caution. Now let's talk about private attributes. Private attributes are completely hidden from outside the class. We define them using double underscores before the attribute name. Here we can't access double underscore name from outside. Python prevents us from doing so. But here's something interesting. Python actually renames private attributes behind the scenes using something called name mangling. This means you can still access them, though you shouldn't, using this trick. Even though this works, it's a bad practice because private attributes are meant to stay private. Alright, quick recap. Here's what we learned today. Public attributes, accessible and modifiable from anywhere. Protected attributes should be used within the class and child classes. Private attributes cannot be accessed directly outside the class. Use public attributes when there's no restriction on access. Use protected attributes when you want to signal handle with care. Use private attributes to enforce restricted access. And remember, Python doesn't strictly enforce these rules, but following these conventions make your code cleaner, easier to maintain, and more secure, especially when working in teams. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you understand encapsulation in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next one. Happy coding.